So in this fifth tutorial of using Google Drawings to create infographics, we're going to tell you what you can do with these infographics the students made. The first thing you can do is, obviously it's saved automatically. Make sure you've named it. You can download it as a PDF or a JPEG or a PNG. If you chose to use a transparent background, it'll only work in the PNG format. PNG format is actually my favorite format. So I'm going to go ahead and download this to my computer, or this would go to the drive. So Eric Summer automatically names it there. And I require my students to provide this to me as a PNG. I just like to see that finality in that. So that's a PNG in my folder on my desktop. The other thing you could do is we can publish it to the web. And let me just kind of show with that. And then you can insert it. You get a URL for it, and you can insert as a URL. Let me explain. So let me do that again. I did that kind of fast. So File, Publish to the Web. And you just click on, you have your size here, 1280, 720. You can make it larger or smaller. Just for the purpose, I might drop the size down just a little bit. This is my original size. I'm going to drop it down just a bit. And I'm going to click Publish. Are you sure you want to publish this? So it's public on the web. And now it has its own URL. It also has the embed code that I can put on a web page. We'll stick with if you're using this outside of Google, I recommend just uploading the PNG, download the PNG and upload it. But you could put this embed code in other tools like Wix or Weebly or something like that. But I always just download the PNG file, the image file, and then upload it somewhere else. But here's the link. I'm going to copy that link. And I can close this out. It's published. So now if I'm in something like a Google Doc, I can say Insert Image. And it doesn't let me search for Google Drawings. It doesn't recognize a Google Drawing as an image, and it really actually is not a publishable image in its innate form. But what it will let me do, insert image. Let me go back. I'm still in Drive. By URL. That came up because I was still in my Drive. By URL, Uniform Resource Locator. So I'm just going to paste that URL in there and click Select. And then I can insert that into a doc. The other way to have done this would have been to say Insert Image and Upload. So that's the other way to do it. And so I download it into a folder, and here it is, Eric Summer PNG, and I'll upload it into my doc. And it looks the same. There's no difference. So same with a Google presentation. Now think about with a Google presentation. If you insert a blank slide, you have all the same tools, all the same drawing tools. So if your purpose is to have this in a Google slide, you could just probably start with Google Slide. But once again, you can either, upload that you upload the file you downloaded, or if you're same thing, just paste that URL. I think it takes it up. And I could have done all of this within Google Slides, actually. In Google Sites actually lets me insert a drawing. Insert from Drive. And it has the category drawing. And there's Eric Summer. And that might be the way to go, since as a district, we're kind of running out of space in our Google Drive. So I'll just go ahead and insert that and save it. And then that's kind of the way to go. The other way to go with Google Sites is to upload your PNG file. file upload to Google Drive, and then insert it as a PNG. I kind of like that route better. So there it is. It's in my Google Drive. And now I'm going to go to Sites and edit this here. Turn my editor on. It just looks a little cleaner when I do that. So insert Drive, and I'm just going to select Image. I'll have to search Eric's Summer. There it is. I did it the huge version, but I can always resize. There we go. And save. It doesn't have that little extra border around it that I don't like so much. So the other route that you would do is you would just upload it within Sites, insert Image, but the only problem with that is we're getting into some space issues with Sites. We have unlimited in our drive, but we have space issues in Google Sites. So I always have people avoid uploading stuff directly to Google Sites and have them insert it from their drive, which it's the same thing essentially. So there you have it. All the stuff you can do with Google Drawings, just simply Google Drawings. And the next tools that you'd want to check out that have even more features would be Pixlr or Sumo Paint. Well, thanks for watching these.